At Blue Origin, we're building the road to space for the benefit of Earth. In pop culture, space explorers have always had AI partners. Just think of some of those famous explorer duos from your childhood. The farm boy and his droids, the starship captain and his voice-activated ship's computer, and yes, even the mission commander whose AI went rogue. We've long dreamed of a world where artificial intelligence and space exploration go together. From rockets to AI, at Blue Origin, we're not dreaming of the future anymore. We're building it. This isn't new for us. Our New Shepard rocket became the first spaceship to autonomously launch and land vertically, making automation and reusability safe and reliable partners. Since then, 86 humans have trusted their lives to New Shepard's automation across 15 flights, experiencing a view of Earth they've always dreamed of. The road to space grew visibly and powerfully in last month's successful launch and landing of our New Glenn orbital rocket. This next frontier, an increased launch cadence, lunar landers, a permanent presence on the moon, is building on that automation and extending it using the latest innovations in AI. Our mission to reduce the cost of access to space is accelerated through Agentic AI that learns, adapts, makes decisions, that reasons, plans, and explains its thinking. That's why, frankly, I think I literally have the coolest job in the world. We're going back to the moon, this time to stay. And Agentic AI is one of our new teammates helping us get there faster and cheaper. Across Blue, the road to space is being built by incredibly talented and creative people: engineering, manufacturing, software, supply chain. As a vertically integrated company, we run the full life cycle of a space mission, from concept to operations. Building and launching rockets requires tremendous specialization from dozens of these disciplines, and that practical knowledge isn't found in general large language models. It's buried in our systems, databases, and tribal knowledge. Agentic AI's ability to create teams of domain expert agents with access to specific knowledge and custom tools has completely transformed the application of AI at Blue. Taking a democratized approach to AI, everyone at Blue is expected to build and collaborate with AI agents to do their work better and faster. By equipping our teams with knowledgeable and capable agents, we are able to dramatically accelerate the product lifecycle, increase production rate, and most importantly, reduce the cost of access to space. The starting point for our builders and creators is our internal generative AI platform we call BlueGBT. There we go, BlueGBT team. It's a secure LLM and MCP gateway, agent marketplace, and multi-agent orchestration system built on core AWS primitives: Bedrock, Strands agents, EKS, OpenSearch, RDS, Lambda, giving our agents access to all leading models, custom knowledge bases, and dozens of tools. Agentic AI has exploded at Blue through organic, disruptive adoption. Over 2,700 agents have been created and are in use in production in the agent marketplace, driving over 3.5 million interactions across 70% of our employees in the last month. There are so many examples I could give on how Team Blue is using agents to work better and faster. 95% of our software engineers are using agents to write code. New Glenn is using agents to accelerate launch approvals. Supply chain and manufacturing use agents for design changes and work orders. But what I really want to talk about are T-Rexes. No, not space dinosaurs, but rather an innovative project at Blue Origin. T-Rex stands for Thermal Energy Advanced Regolith Extraction, and it's a brand new capability being developed by our in-space exploration systems group to solve one of the moon's toughest challenges: surviving the lunar night, equivalent to 14 Earth days of freezing darkness. I have part of it right here with me, and this thing is amazing. As you can see in the video, the battery, the T-Rex, takes lunar regolith or moon dust from the surface of the moon, circulates it through this chamber, and then extracting the heat through a lightweight heat exchanger, and then runs it through this cylinder to save the rest of the machine from the sensitive and abrasive rocks. Designed to run for years, this heat cycle is then reversed during the lunar day to recharge regolith for use during the next night, turning moon dust into a battery. While T-Rex is amazing, what's even more amazing is the team of AI agents that helped build it. A BlueGBT agent helped us with the detailed requirements. Another agent helped us create the system architecture. One of my favorite agents, though, is our simulation and analysis agent. where we're able to automate the iterative design loops, rapidly improving the product. With custom knowledge bases and connected to AI-native tools like NTOP for mass and performance optimization, and Astari Digital for deterministic validation and artifact management, the agents run complex physics simulations, iterate on the design based on the results, and execute until the requirements are met, all running on GPU-accelerated EC2. T-Rex is a great example of what we see as the future of engineering teams at Blue. Small teams of experts working with large teams of AI agents to deliver the works of tens, and at orders of magnitude faster than before. The benefits are immense. Using agents, our engineers were able to deliver a performant product over 75% faster than traditional approaches, with mass 40% improved over the original designs. Now, I get it. Most of you aren't building rockets or lunar infrastructure, but you do deal with specialized knowledge and custom tools, and I think could benefit from a few of our learnings with agents. First, I'd consider you to think of adoption of AI as everyone's job, not just the technology teams. Democratize agent creation and use. A simple, user-friendly interface led to 70% company adoption. Second, I encourage you to let the process for innovation be messy, but discovery easy. A public marketplace or agent app store has really helped us here, providing easy-to-use eval tools to allow your teams to test and discover their agents. Third, let AWS handle the LLM, agent primitives, and scaling, and focus on building with those tools to solve problems for yourselves and for your customers. With Agentic AI, we believe that the future is now. It's just not evenly distributed. We aren't yet developing all of our products using AI, but we will be. With millions of people living and working in space, we believe in a world where we can agentically design an entire rocket, where we can launch 100 rockets with one person, rather than one rocket with 100 people. Our work with AWS isn't slowing down. We are building an enterprise knowledge graph on Agent Core, transforming the AI accessibility of all of our data, and we're excited to test some of our own custom-built models with our autonomous lunar rover on the moon, trained on AWS GPUs. Our talented team of Blue Origin employees and AI agents will continue to be the fuel for this rapid innovation as we build the road to space for the benefit of Earth. Thank you very much.